Hello together, it's Gary and Adventure again. Today I want to show you a video about the new hardware by Carpe Iter, which Jan gave to me, and I say thank you at this point. I installed this hardware yesterday on Betsy. As you all know, Betsy is a BMW R1200 GS Adventure out of the year 2015. But it doesn't make a difference. Also, the GS 1250 and the brand new GS 1300 are compatible with this hardware. You don't have to change anything on your bike. This is a plug and play system. You don't need any tools to install the electronics. You need tools to take down the fairing, put it back on, but maybe some straps to tie the new hardware, but that's it. So actually, I want to show you now which hardware we're talking about. It's, for one thing, the BMW command, which looks actually like this here. It's a little box. We have this one connector on the one side, which will be connected to your bike. That's the connector where your BMW Navigator actually would be connected or was connected before you pulled it out. On the other side of this connector, you have plus and minus, for example, connecting the Carpe Iter to give it some power. Then we have the connector for the BMW controller by Carpe Iter, which I will show you after this. And for the experts, we have this connector if you need the sensor at the front wheel for taking your distance, for example, using a road book. You can use just this part and will be able to use your multi-controller with an overlay display on every Android mobile phone or tablet which you install on your bike. The second thing I want to show to you is the BMW controller. This controller looks like this. It's a ring, which is, as you actually see here, built around next to your throttle grip and gives you the capability to reach these buttons very easily. Also, you can still reach the buttons right behind. You won't change anything here except opening two screws, take off the back, put it around, close it, and connect what I just showed you on the BMW command. This plug, that's it. So now I want to show you on an example how this works. Okay, now we're on Betsy and I want to show you in an example how all these functions exactly look like. So you see here my Carpe Iter, which is also sold by Jan, and left side the multi-controller you already all know, and on the right side I have the Carpe controller with the 4 buttons for choosing. We start with the multi-controller. Just as you know, the functions, I can push it to the left, to the right, or turn it. I'll push it to the left, open the overlay menu. Here I have different options to choose. We'll take it for this example, the media point. We say yes by pressing the button to the multi-controller to the right. And now we choose to listen to some music. And again, we say right. There you go. This is the music you would have on your helmet now. And the same procedure, I press to the right to stop the music. I can also leave the music, turn back, say I want to listen to the next title, which I actually don't have because I don't have a playlist activated. Oops, never mind. If we press the multi-controller to the left, oh, it's just stop the music. There we go. To the left, I get to the menu before, and another time to the left, I exit this overlay menu again. As you now see, I have Google Maps on the display. With my buttons on the right side, I am able to scroll through these maps to the left, to the right, to the bottom and up. With the multi-controller, I can zoom in and zoom out. So that's how you actually use the system. Almost everyone is able to get this system fixed into the bike. It's not necessary to be an expert. As I said at the beginning, there's no tools or anything you need. Maybe some straps to get it tied to the bike. take off the fairing, put it back on, that's all. I hope you enjoyed what I showed to you and you might decide to buy this hardware. I already start loving it because it's really easy to use and makes it much more concentrating yourself on the road while using some of the functions of the hardware. If you want to buy this hardware, you'll find the link right below in the description of this video. And if you want to help Gary on Adventure to go for more adventures and make more crazy videos, I will earn a little bit of this by you buying this, and I want to say thank you at this point. So stay tuned for more with Gary on Adventure. See you.